Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, October the 26th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus. Two jigsaw, jigsaw Sudokus we have here, aka tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah. Otherwise, it will be a day job for me. First one, 3 star Sudoku, 7336. 7336. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Usually, the 3 stars puzzle has always 25 printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Should be a 1-star puzzle. Should be a 1-star. For 1-star puzzle, you need to be faster than 50 minutes. For a 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Wow. Is this really a 3 stars or a 1-star puzzle? That's the question. Alright, so let's get started. We have a 3 in this row, first row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only place level 3 should be there. 179, okay. We have a 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. How about 4, okay. Let me see. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. The 1. Wait. The 2. Yeah. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this last column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row. No 2 there, 2 should be here. 2, 2. 2, 2. Okay. Then 1, 1, 4, 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7. 8 is missing and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes. There, 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 7 goes there. Alright. 1, need a 3. Need a 4. 1, 3, 4. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then, 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there. Alright. And now. 4. How about Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6. And look, we have 1 and 6 in this column. So no 1 and 6 in this box. 1 and 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in the third row for number 4. Alright, 1, 6, 4. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1, 1, okay. 298, 298. Yes, okay. So one of the missing number in this big square should be 9. Yeah, 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and then 9 is missing. 2, 8, 9. Let me mark those. 2, 8, 9. So we have a 9 in this row, third row. 9 in one of these 3 boxes in the second row. So in the first row, only place level 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the third column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in the third column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and 4 goes there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between second column. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 this row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. So now 1 box left in the second column for number. The 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 this row, no 1 there. Here 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be here. 5, 5, okay. 2 numbers left now in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 1 should be here. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6. 7 is missing. 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Alright, the 9. Okay. 9, 9. How about these 2 missing numbers in the third column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4, 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9. Well. 289, 289. Yeah. 2. Need a 9 here. And I need a 4 here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between. In the middle column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. See, I have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. The 9 in this column, the 9 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be here. So the other two numbers should be the 2 and 8, okay? 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and a 6. We have a 6 now in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Yeah. Oh, double 3. No, should be 5 and a 6. 5 and a 6. Overlook this 5. Or yeah. So now we have 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. Alright. 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row, so the row above only 2 place level 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Wow. Cannot be a 3 stars. Definitely a 1 star and faster than 15 minutes. Maybe a 0 stars. But we solved it again. And I like this one here. So we do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.